Hello. I just wanting to cut together a short video about the measurements of the Einhell 2025 table saw. So I just have some footage here of me repeatedly taking measurements, in this case of the T-slot, and I think I got it to kind of a mean value of 16.3 millimeters at the bottom of the slot. And the top of the slot I think is around 13 or just below 13 millimeters. So it could be nice to know also the upper slot, but it's a bottom slot that's interesting, and I got that to 16.3. Here we are again roughly below 13 millimeters for the slot opening, and 16.3 millimeters for the bottom of the slot. And these are not standardized slots at all, so I don't know if you can buy any accessories that will fit these slots, or if they are Einhell just selected slot sizes. But it's I understand it's usual that these cheap table saws they invent their own measurements for some funny reason. I don't know why. Shouldn't be more expensive to go for the standard size, but anyhow, I do this measurement over and over again just to see what spread I get, because it's hard to get this really exact, but doing this over and over, I'm pretty sure I can say that the bottom of the slot is 16.3 millimeters. So I'm just going to bore you with repeating these measurements. But soon coming up is the other measurements. So here is the miter slot, the sled that goes in there, and I'm going to take a measurement of that because it's a little jiggly. So you can see that's almost exactly 16 millimeters, the bottom one, and the top one there of course isn't flush at all. It's just there to get through the slot. So it's the bottom side of this miter gate that, the miter fence, that's the one that's going to have to fit the slot, but it doesn't. It's I think I got it to 16.2 millimeters, so there is a jiggle of 1 millimeter. Yeah, you see there, it's a jiggle of 1 millimeter in the miter slot there. So here I'm just taking measurements of the table. And of course there are rounded edges, so I can't take exact measurements, but it's still at least I got quite exactly 14 centimeters from the left slot edge to the blade, which could be interesting. But at least you get an idea of the saw sizes if you want to do any homemade jig for this. And here's the measurements, and yeah. Here I'm trying to see if the blade is jiggling, but of course you can't see this in this way. But I'm pretty sure you can say it's 14 centimeters from the edge. So there are all the measurements, and I think I have nothing more. So thank you for watching.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.